Hey guys, it's Pandora the Postcard. How's everybody out there doing today? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Do me a favor. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? So, welcome back for those of you that are subscribers of my channel. Alright, I am here, guys. I'm back with Instant Cash Solution, okay? I'm not going to keep you long on here, but I just want to show you how I made a $300 sale without ever speaking to a person, okay? Because my system is set up and it's in place. That's what you want to do, okay? And position yourself to receive the higher commissions, okay? But Instant Cash Solution, guys, I've been talking to you guys about this since last year, okay? I'm on the page now. If you're looking for a way to make some money online with something simple, copied and pasted ads, I have two of these systems. This one is Instant Cash Solution. This one has more levels in it. It pays $100, $200, $300, and $500 commissions. You have a high ticket commission income built in this program right here, guys. You don't have to go out and spend thousands of dollars for some of these systems out here, these programs where you splitting your commission. You keep 100% commission right here with Instant Cash Solution, okay? And it gives you everything. It's a turnkey system, fully automated. You have a back office so you can track your sales. You get training every week from the owner himself every Tuesday at 5 p.m. Pacific time. You get all the ad copy you need, okay? Everything is in here you need to get started, as well as I'm going to give you some more information. I'm going to share with you some sources that I use, different tips that I use as well, okay? But I just want you to see this, guys. This is the website you're going to get, okay? This thing converts, okay? Well, it's the landing, okay? I'm going to show you the capture page that I have set up right now. A second. It's lagging because I am doing this video. But I want to come down here and just show you, here's the levels, okay? $100 level, $200, $300, $500. Okay, it's only going to cost you $29 administration fee, okay? Now the $500 level is $79 administration fee. So $129 to get started, $229 or $329 or $579, okay? This is well worth it. Let me tell you, I was literally fixing myself some lunch Monday, and I got a notification on my phone that a $300 commission came through. Never spoke to the person, any of that. Just came straight through. So obviously they saw the value in what I saw and just signed up. He or she, actually I don't know who it is. I reached out to him, okay, but not sure who it is. But this is a great system, guys, okay? Turnkey, okay? And you can use these ads in Instant Cash Solution for any business opportunity you have. But what I did is I used Press 1, and I'm going to show you how I know the sale came from there, okay? Because I have a tracking link, okay, set up. So when the opt-in came through with this person's name, I looked in my system, and it showed me it was through Press 1, okay? So the Press 1 system made me the $300 sale, okay? So let me just show you real quick. Hang on one second. Let's go over to Press 1 too. Now Press 1 is the software that you use, okay? This software assigns you a phone number. This is my phone number right here. When you call this number, you will get, I have some different things in rotation. And Instant Cash Solution is one of the programs I have in rotation. So when someone dialed this number, they saw the Instant Cash Solution capture page, okay? That's how that worked, okay? This software is $297 one time, but you make $200 commission every time someone buys the software from you. Another instant pay income, okay? So this system, Press 1, made me a $300 commission, okay? So you get this system right here, and you can promote whatever business you want, guys, okay? So let me just show you how I know that it was Press 1. Let me take you over to my email. Hang on here. Okay, let me show you something here. Okay, before we get over there, let me show you this. This sale came in on Monday, July 29th. Gold member, $300. Now let me show you the email. Okay, so July 29th, here we are. And here's my lead. Now let me show you at the bottom of the lead what it shows. Hang on. Okay, right here, guys, it shows you it was page 6 capture page that I used. And the tracking campaign says press 1 cash. Okay, so that person that signed up was this contact that opted into my Instacash solution page. Okay, so this is how I tracked it. So press 1 cash made me that sale. Now let me take you over. Hang on here. That's how I tracked it, guys. So I knew where the sale came from. Okay, and this is another landing page that we have. This explains everything as well. Everything you get with Instacash solution right here, guys, on this page. So you get a plethora of training and value in this system. Okay, and right here, here's one of my testimonies. We've got a new testimony page. Let me, right here. When I first got in this, the first week I made $1,100 in 6 days with this system, guys. Okay, so I know what works. This does work. Okay, and again, this is living proof. Never spoke to the person, they just signed up. So if you do this the right way, and I can show you how to do that, you can do the same thing. Okay, so again, pick your level. Let's go over there real quick. Let me show you those levels again. Okay, here's the levels, guys. 100, 200, 300, and 500. Again, it's only $29 administration fee for the 100, 200, 300. Okay, and then it's $79 admin for the 500 level. So you literally can start for $129, or you can start for $229, or start for $329, or start $579. Okay, now of course, if you join it platinum, you get all the lower levels. If you join it this gold 300, you get the silver and the bronze. If you join at the silver, you get the bronze and the silver. Okay, so the higher you come in, the more commissions you can make, because you never know where someone is going to come in. So I'm, at the platinum, so it doesn't matter which level someone comes in, I'm going to be able to receive. I'm positioned to receive that commission, so I don't have to have that fear worried about, am I going to lose a sale or not. Okay, but this is a great system. I can show you how I'm setting it up, and you can do the same thing, guys, and get these commissions in. I know people say, oh, you make money in your sleep. You hear that a lot. It's true. It's true, okay? Or why are you out living life? Because once you set your systems up, they will run for you, okay? And you just have to do that consistently. You go and you do paid traffic, or you do some type of advertising, okay? And it takes money to advertise. Yeah, there's free methods out there, but me personally, I don't want to sit at my computer all day trying to befriend people on Facebook and post all these different posts. I like to set up systems. That's just how I do my business. I like to set up systems, put them in place, do my paid advertising for the week, and let them run and take their course, okay? But this is a 100% commission opportunity, okay? So you don't have to split your commission with anyone when you join Instacash Solution, okay? So it's well worth it. Business in a box, okay? This is the page right here I wanted to show you. This is the capture page that I'm using, okay? This is page 6. So someone called my press 1 number, which is right here. You give it a call, and you'll see I have some systems in rotation. Okay, I'm waiting for the screen to load. Hang on a second. Okay, it's going to press 1. Okay, but you will see there's several opportunities in rotation. Okay, so what happened was this particular person called the number. They pressed 1. They saw Instacash Solution. They put their information in, and it took them to the landing page, and they decided to join. The $300 level is where they came in. They never picked up the phone, never called me, never emailed me, never one question, okay? Because I looked at it and I was like, I never spoke to this person, okay? So these two worked in combination of each other, the Press 1 system and the Instacash Solution system, okay? So it's well worth the investment. Now, I understand if you came in and do Press 1 today and do instant cash solution. But just know it's a great thing to set up, because at that point, all you have to do is promote this number right here, your number. You'll have your own. Promote this number, and you can put the Press One Cash link in your back office, and when someone dials your number, it takes them to your Press One, your Instant Cash Solution link, your capture page, okay? And let it do all the selling and telling for you. So just want to show you how these two together, in combination, earned me a $300 commissions, and I can show you how I'm doing that as well. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put the link below for Press One Cash and Instant Cash Solution. You know, you can come in with one today and just do the other one at another time, or do both if you can. But this does work well together, okay? Now, before you leave, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. Click that subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Until next time, I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.